What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera orientation issues in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all reset camera settings. So to do it, first of all open the camera app. Now after opening the camera, click on this settings icon. Now here scroll down to the end and click on reset settings and then tap on reset from the pop-up to confirm. So when you will tap on reset option here, it will reset all your camera settings. So after that the camera orientation issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then move to the next solution. So the next solution is reset camera app. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and click on camera. Now here scroll down and click on storage. Now from here clear the app data and cache memory of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data and then tap on delete from the pop-up. And after that the camera app will start working properly and the orientation issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then try updating the mobile software. So for that, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating your mobile software your camera orientation issues will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.